a break, give me a break, break me off a piece.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions review on the brand new Kit Kat bar palette by Etude House. I think I'm saying that right, but if not, I'm just going to put it right here. But before we begin, if you want to, you can click the subscribe button and the bell button so you know when I come out with more videos. Now today, you guys, there's something going on with my left eye. It's like acting up. I don't know if it's allergies or something else, so if it's a little red, so sorry. Now, if you're wondering how I got my hands on this palette, on the day that it launched, which was on January 31st, I was able to grab it on MissBeautyKorea.com. They shipped internationally and it wasn't a huge difference in price compared to the price that they were offering on the EtudeHouse.com. So I was really excited and it came pretty quickly. It shipped on the 1st of February. Mind you, I placed the order on the 31st and it arrived on the 11th of February. My grand total was $24.25. So it's not like there was an extra like $10 for shipping to the US. And this is what it comes in. It comes with a package, so there's more than just a palette inside. Now, I did already open this and look at the palette. I already knew what the palette looked like too, based off of pictures. But I did open and look at the palette already and took pictures for my Instagram. But I didn't touch the shadows. I haven't played with anything yet, so I don't know if this palette is good or not. So we're gonna find that out together. In the front, it says Play Color Eyes Mini Kits, hashtag Kit Kat Original. So they dropped two different palettes. They dropped the palette where it was inspired by the original Kit Kat bar, but they also came out with a palette that was inspired by the Strawberry Tiramisu Kit Kat bar. Now, by the time I was able to figure out how to get the Kit Kat bar, the Strawberry Tiramisu was sold out. And that was the one that I really wanted. So if I really like this one, I might just go ahead and place that order. But I won't do that until I find out about this guy. On the bottom right here, you can see that it says Etude House and that it was inspired by Kit Kat. On the back of the box, I can't understand a lot of this because it's in a different language, but it does say what comes in the package. It comes, of course, with the eyeshadow palette, with the Kit Kat pouch, which is kind of like a makeup bag, and with actual Kit Kat bars. So this is what the bag looks like. It comes in a plastic. I haven't opened it yet. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. This feels so nice. It's velvet material, so smooth. Of course, looks like the Kit Kat bar. Inside, typical bag, nothing too crazy, but it's such a nice quality. Really nice. The zipper's nice. Everything's really nice about this bag. I like this. Next out of the package, we have the Kit Kat bar, which was nice. I'm glad they included that. Now, I believe you got the actual candy that was represented by the palette you bought. So I got the original palette, so I got the original Kit Kat bar. If you buy the Strawberry Tiramisu palette, you'll get the Strawberry Tiramisu Kit Kat bar. I think two come in here. No, it's three. Three little minis that come in two. So 6 little mini Kit Kat bars. I'll eat these later. Also comes with some samples. So I'm really excited to try these. I have no idea what these are, but that's not the point of this video. And lastly, the highlight of this video, the palettes. So the box of the palette looks like this. It says Play Color Eyes Mini, hashtag Kit Kat Original. Same thing as this box right here. Now, if you're like, oh my goodness, this is so small, you're right. Honestly, I've bought palettes that were made in Korea that were the same thing. For example, the Coca-Cola palette, much smaller than what I thought it was going to be. And the Pokemon palette with Toli Moly, much smaller than what I thought it would be. But both of these palettes are really great, so it doesn't bother me that this is small. Not every palette has to be big and bulky, and not everybody likes big giant palettes. This is perfect to just slip literally probably in a wallet. That's how tiny this is. The inside looks like this. It looks like a Kit Kat bar. The compact is nice. It has a mirror, a nice one. The shadows do come with names, but I can't read what they are. And this is what they look like. I'm going to get a little closer because the palette is tiny. So from what I can see, I'm seeing a lot of matte and possibly 2 shimmers. This one is a matte, but it has some gold glitters in it, so I'm excited to try that one. I'm going to do my best to try every single one of these. So let's go ahead and do some swatches. I have this one. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice and soft. Ooh, okay. This one. This one. This one. Here they are, my fingers. And let's put them right here Oh, you almost can't see that one on me at all. Oh, this swatches beautifully. Look at that. This one is almost my skin color, so sorry about that. Well done, Kit Kat. And now the last two. 1 and 2. Here we go. Let's put them down here. 1 and 2. Okay. Now I'll be honest, this shimmer right here, not too impressed with that. It's so sheer. It's just not what you would expect in a shimmer. But this red, this one I'm really excited to put on my lid. I'm wondering if this one is maybe a topper shade. I don't know. Okay guys, well those felt really smooth and buttery. But now it's time to test these bad boys out on my lid. So I'm going to go ahead and do, of course, a eye demo. So in case you're new to my channel, I go ahead and I do an eye demonstration. It's going to be a speed through with some wording at the bottom. And at the end of the eye demo, I'm going to talk about my final thoughts on the palettes. I'll be using a clean sweep with my brushes in case I want to use the same brush for a different color and I want to quickly change it. I'll use this. There's just concealer on my lids because, of course, when testing on a new palette, I don't like to use the white base because I feel like the white base is giving the palette added help. And right now, I just want to see how the palette does on its own. Okay, guys, let's get right into this. Okay guys, so I have some thoughts for this Kit Kat bar palette. There is a lot more kick up with this palette. 2 ways to avoid any fallout on your face like the one that I went through is to either put setting powder under your eyes before putting the eye makeup or doing your eyes first and then your face last. As for the shadows themselves, they performed okay. The mattes were really nice. This glitter brown matte though, I'm not really seeing any gold glitter or anything. Like it just looks like a brown matte. This shade right here, it just lacks luster. There really isn't that much payoff with this one. If you don't mind a more sheer shimmer, then of course I would say go for this. But for me, that just didn't cut it. Now, as for this red, which was the one that I was most excited about, it's already fading off my eye. I can see it. I had it more up. It was a bit more pigmented, and right now, I'm not seeing that. So maybe with like a different primer or with a white base, it might be better. But right now, with just concealer, it's just not cutting it. On this eye that I did off camera, I did use my finger to put on the red, and it actually looks a lot better. So it just might be the way to use the red for it to come out better. Who knows? But as of right now, that's a no-go. Overall, do I think this palette is worth $24? No. I don't think so at all. Even though it is paying homage to the infamous Kit Kat bar, I'm just not... I just can't justify $24 for the quality of the palette. The case is nice. It snaps shut. I mean, it is cute, but I can see myself buying palettes that either cost the same or less that perform better. You can try it out for yourself, find out for yourself. I don't think you absolutely need this palette in your life. If you're a collector though, of course, you're probably gonna get it. You're not even gonna listen to anything I say. You're gonna be like, you know what, I'm just gonna add it to my vanity, which is fine too. But do you need this? No, I don't think so. It is cute though. I will say that much. Okay guys, well let me know your thoughts down below on the Kit Kat bar palettes. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
That chocolate crispy taste gonna make your day.